Welcome to the Life of a Farmer video for December. This video will cover the extreme winter weather of December and how we handle it here on our farm. The first part will be narrated by my brothers Nathan and Kendall.
And there's our snow. Probably not much to all you folks up north, but that's quite a bit for us. Hey Laura, working hard or hardly working? Cold, just work harder.
Got one place done and one place to go.
That's right.
Yeah.
Laura's up early even helping us. Let's do this. There goes Dad with a scraper, paving the way for all the other machines. Dumps it right there. There's the beast machine that cleaned a lot of the area. There's Mom, Dad, and Laura scooping snow out of the bunks down this alley. They're doing work while I'm just standing here. Are you guys hungry? I gotta clean your plate first. There's snow in your bunk. Goes all the way down. Then I get to move to that side. I am now feeding. There goes Nathan in the feed wagon. Cattle are all lined up. They were hungry because they had to wait an extra hour for their food. We've got cattle eating over there, behind those trees, all lined up on both sides here, and over there, and then over there. Here you can see the feed in the bunks with the snow. The cattle enjoy it just as much. Here you can see the steam rising off of the feed as they eat it. How you guys doing this morning, huh? You guys doing good? How's your food? Is it tasty? Liking it? Silage. Silage is the best. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is. Don't you think? Don't you know? What? 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 Huh? It's about 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, the cattle around me are pretty thirsty. And that's because all the waters are frozen. And so this is what I've been doing all morning, is pouring some hot water on these water to try to get them to unfreeze. And so far, no such luck. But they're hoping that I get it fixed soon. See, unfrozen. Another thing we have to do when it gets really cold is to plug all of our tractors in after we're finished using them for the day, just to make sure they start the next morning when it's really cold, because if they don't start, then we won't be able to feed our cattle.
As you can see, feeding cattle in the cold winter months can be a bit of a challenge. Our cattle handle the cold pretty well, but we do have sheds for our new younger cattle to hang out in. For the older cattle, we have windbreaks on the side of the pens, but for the most part they are not affected by the snow or cold. Well folks, That concludes the final installment of this Life of a Farmer video series. You've gotten to see a glimpse of what a farmer's life looks like during each month of the year. Doing the work to feed the world requires a lot of time, energy, sweat, and tears. Farmers work in the heat and in the cold, in the rain, the snow, and the wind, on weekdays, weekends, and holidays, in good times and in bad. But it's worth it, because we love what we do and believe in what we are doing, and we hope that you do too. I have really enjoyed making these videos over the past year and hope that you have learned something from watching them. Thank you all again for watching, and remember to thank the farmers around the world every time you sit down to eat another meal. We'll close with a little song I wrote that's called, you guessed it, Life of a Farmer.